I'm Aaron Davidson, founder and CEO of Gunwerks. We build the world's most capable long-range rifle systems right here in Cody, Wyoming. Nearly 2 decades of relentless innovation have made us the global standard in precision hunting. We're a good-sized business, and we're growing fast, and we've got big goals for the future. To get there, I need an exceptional director of manufacturing, someone who will own this operation from raw material to finished rifle and build the systems, the team, and the discipline to scale production without sacrificing the craftsmanship our customers demand. This isn't a corporate role inside a bureaucracy. It's a seat at the table in a founder-led company that moves fast, holds high standards, and expects you to lead like you own it. If you've run a precision manufacturing company, if you know how to build teams, drive throughput, and hold quality at scale, I want to talk to you. And if you're someone who actually hunts, who understands what it means to take a shot at 1,000 yards and make it count, that matters here too. This is a company built by people who live the mission. In Cody, Wyoming, full-time. If you're ready for something great, apply now.